Hi traders, here's another video by Dave Tromp. I was just making my forecast for the coming week, and I thought why not share how I mark up my charts. So I was already starting with the Euro USD on the weekly. So let's just go through this. The Euro USD is basically trending down on the weekly. If we look on a longer term perspective, we had this strong move down. Now we have a move that's basically a retracement in this downward move, and here at the top we can see that some sort of supply zone has formed, so a lot of sell orders I'm expecting to be in this area right here. The same goes for buy orders that are down here, because we had this huge move up. Many orders will not have been filled, so they're still lying here in this area. So if price ever comes down here to this level, then we can reasonably assume that there will be a move up, something like this. Yes. So for now we have seen some sort of consolidation move, and I'm expecting it to continue for maybe some time, or it can break out and then have a retest and then we see a move higher. So that's on the weekly. So if we go down to the daily to fine-tune some things, we can see we have this support line that's pretty well established. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces, 5, 6, and then here we have the supply zone. We could fine-tune this a little bit more like this. So here from here the move down started pretty strongly. So this is more or less the refined zone. The same goes for here. We can fine-tune it a little bit more, so we can reasonably expect price to go down here before it might go higher. So these are all probabilities, not certainties, but this is just a way of looking at the market and placing orders based on signals that form on these levels. And if you do this many times over, then you have a high likelihood of winning more trades than losing more trades, and making bigger profits than losing than what you're risking. Okay, so that's the Euro USD. I'm gonna go through the other pairs, and I'm gonna speed up the video probably, so you don't have to wait too long and get a quick picture of how I mark up my charts. Okay, let's have a look at what I've marked up. So let's go back to the Great British Pound US dollar. I went to the weekly and I noted this downtrend. So it's a long-term downtrend. Market's going sideways and there's a possible outbreak to the downside or upside that can happen. If we look at the daily, we made it a little bit more specific, the zones. We fine-tuned them a little bit. But basically market is going sideways for now, and we can either trade it from the upper bound to the lower bound, or lower bound to the upper bound, or maybe trade some breakouts as I marked up on the chart. Then the US dollar CAD, also I noted here that it's going sideways between these upper and lower bounds, and then here on the daily we've formed this indecision candle, so depending on if we break higher or lower we could see this kind of price action that I marked on the chart. So it's not sure that this is gonna happen, but this is just a scenario that I will be looking at. Here we can see that the Aussie dollar is trending down. It's going pretty textbook, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. So best chance is that we're gonna see a impulsive move to the downside, at least to this level where the corrective move started. If we break through, we can do a retest, and then we can get another leg down. Here are some levels that might be of interest of buyers, but not too strong, so I think it's gonna continue doing impulsive corrective until the market shows us other ways. Here is a strong low, so we might get all the way back here, and then if we hit this level, then I'm not going to be shorting anymore. So this is how I do my weekly analysis and how I look at the market. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. I will be posting a lot more, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and see you next time. Oh, and before I forget, you can get these forecasts that I do on my Gumroad, so please check that out as well. You will be emailed my forecast every weekend once I've made my forecast, so you know what I'm looking at and you can compare that with your own trading ideas. Good luck trading, and see you.